Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Hard Rock Bet. Okay, and you can only withdraw once you've won at least $10 in real money. Alright, so this is what you need to do. Just log into your account and then tap on the balance button. Now from here, you just need to select withdraw to be able to see the available withdrawal methods. And if you want to enable withdrawals via PayPal and Venmo, you must have previously deposited using these methods. Otherwise, that is not going to work for you. Okay? Then just enter the amount you wish to withdraw and any other required information. If it's PayPal, then they'll give you a pop-up where you basically go ahead and sign in, right? And then you are able to do that. Then you just go ahead and confirm the transaction, and your winnings should arrive within 5 business days, depending on the withdrawal method chosen. Okay, and they don't actually charge you withdrawal fees, but if you do withdraw, for example, using a bank, then your bank or payment processor might charge you, right? But otherwise, really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.